What up, kids? Here you go. Here you go. Here you go. This is great. Anyway. All right, guys.
Perfect timing.
Homegrown Lincoln, it is once again your homeboy, if you want to call me that, Matt Mick with Homegrown Lincoln, Food 411. And today I have Charlie with us, and he's here to help us experience the wonderful food of the Reuben sandwich.
The Reuben.
The Reuben. So today we are, as you can tell, we're at the downtown deli here, Danny's Downtown Deli, for our first episode of this series featuring the Reuben. If you guys are unfamiliar with the Reuben is a sandwich on rye bread, which I'm going to take out of here, step on that bag. It has sauerkraut on it. It has corned beef on it. Has some Swiss cheese, and of course, as I said, it's on rye bread. Charlie, do you know where the Reuben came from? Like where it originated?
No.
Dude, the Reuben originated about 45 miles north and east of Lincoln in Omaha.
Okay, I didn't know
in
that.
like the 20s.
Very nice.
Yeah. I also forgot to mention there's Russian dressing on this, so that's kind of.
I think that's what threw me off. I figured it would be from Russia somewhere. Because
it might be though. Like it was like this Russian grocery, and
okay.
I read something like they were playing poker and just like made a sandwich up. So I'll let you grab one here, one half. We have rules. I'm screaming now. Lots of traffic. So the first rule, as always, guys, is they can't know we're coming, so we just order it. We secret shop them. We have fun with them that way. Rule number 2 is 1 bite. We'll try. I like Reuben's a lot. I think Charlie does too. And rule number 3 is no Rachels, right? We're doing the real thing, Reuben all day. So we're gonna have some fun with that.
Corned beef only.
Corned beef only, 100%. So I didn't mention it. Danny's Downtown Deli is on like 10th and O Street, right here in the heart of Lincoln in the terminal building. So if you guys aren't familiar, check it out. Pretty awesome nostalgia place in there. So, dude, are you ready for this?
I'm ready.
I think I got to get it in my palm.
I don't want this thing to cool down any more than it has to. I'm excited.
1 bite, we're gonna range it.
Let's do it.
Cheers, man.
Cheers. Mmm.
Mmm. Mmm. Oh, you got some Russian on you. Man, I got a lot of sauerkraut in there. It was really good. There's definitely, like, I feel like a really good amount of that Russian dressing. It's not overly dry, but it wasn't overly saturated, but you just made a little mess. I'm taking another bite.
I took a giant bite. Mm-hmm. When you only limit me to 1.
Yeah, it's good.
You have to take a giant one. Delicious.
It always kind of sucks being the first place.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry, Danny. All that being said, this is a really good start for us. So, Charlie, I think you've been here with us before in some other seasons. We, of course, rank this on a scale of 1 to 10. Dude, what are you feeling?
I'm impressed.
Yeah, this is
I
good.
mean,
I took
the dressing's delicious. The sauerkraut is the thing that scares most people away from a Reuben. So I like that to not be at the forefront of the sandwich.
Yeah. And
it's not. I mean, the meat and the dressing is the highlight.
For sure.
I think it's in the 8s. I'll give it an 8.3.
Nice.
8.3.
I was gonna be like an 8.5, 8.6. So let's just do like an 8.4.
Perfect.
Doing an 8.4. Guys, Danny's Downtown Deli. We're here eating some Reubens. Thank you, Russian guys in Omaha. But we're doing an 8.4 with this guy, and we will we'll see you at our next stop. See you guys at the next.
Good job, Danny.
Thanks, Danny. He's right inside there. Cool. All right, I'm having another bite.